Hey everybody, welcome back to Scott Volt e-bike reviews on YouTube. Before we get started, I want to make one important point. Please, always wear a helmet to protect your head. Very safe. Kids are getting hurt on these when we're not wearing helmets. We've got to get them into the habit of wearing helmets. So please, if you have a child, if you're yourself watching this video, get yourself a helmet. Amazon, cheap, one size fits all. Come on guys. So let's get into it. Today, Nanrobot has sent me the M5 Pro, which is a scooter bike. You can have a scooter or you can sit down and ride on it. It's really awesome. So let's get into the specs. Comes in black, 750 watt brushless rear motor, 48 volt, 10.4 amp hour lithium battery, top speed up to 20 miles per hour, range up to 25 miles. Max rider weight recommended at 265 pounds, dual disc brakes, 9-inch tires, approximately 56.6 pounds is what it weighs. Charging time, 7 hours, not too bad. It's a foldable frame, meaning the handlebars fold down towards the seat. Adjustable seat is included. Rear storage basket included. Front headlight, rear light, LCD display, front and rear shock absorption. Helps your butt. Recommended use, commuting, neighborhood riding, light recreation. Let's get it out on the road where we really want it to be. All right, everybody. I'm over here at Honeygo Park in Nottingham, Maryland to do the road test for the Nanrobot. It has 3 different modes, Eco, Tour, and Sport, which I like. So here we go. I got to go a little slow at certain spots because they got people that are on the trail and I don't want them to freak out. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do a little speed test here. This is a nice little trail. This bike is kind of nice because you don't have to rip around like crazy. You can just take it easy. Right now I got it on touring mode. Go a little bit slower. How you doing? So I'm gonna put it back in sport. And I'm gonna stop right up here. It's a little bit of an uphill here. It's not too bad. Let's see what she does. I'm gonna go off the trail here. Do a little off-roading. What's up? Got a lot of people walking on the trail today. Hey guys, how are you? Good, how are you? I'm gonna go uphill here to see what she does. This has really good pickup for a smaller drone. Hi ladies. Let's go a little downhill, see what kind of speed we can get. About 20 miles an hour, as advertised. This thing's really nice. It's a beautiful day today. I'm gonna go wide here because if you get too close to the trees with a follow drone, it'll sometimes lose you. Is there something following me?
I think so.
Oh man.
Not sure what it is.
Yeah, I know, that's what it sounds like, huh? Let's go up in here. I'm off-road on the grass. This thing is doing really nice. So if you don't want to be like your little average tour, just to take a little trip around, you can do that, or you can go off onto the grass. I'm sure even onto trails and whatnot. This is a really nice park. It has a nice soccer field here. A lot of people out on this beautiful day. I think it's about 75 degrees. So ergonomically, this fits me pretty well. Suspension feels good. Let's stop right here. We got some oncoming traffic. I'm going to go up into the parking lot and we'll do a little speed test. Going up a little incline, no problem. Stop right here for a minute. I'm going to go from a dead stop. This is in sport mode. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19.9. So they're estimating of, it's actually voting day today, or early voting. So you can see all the signs up. Vote for me, vote for me. Dan Cox is my man. Got all of our volunteers out here doing a great job.
Yes.
How you guys doing?
Doing good.
Is it?
Like your drone.
Oh, there's something back there? Oh, man. Everybody loves the little drone when it follows me. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to tell you all three modes that it can be in and what speed. Really a nice day out today. I'm going to turn around, stop right here. I'm going to put it in eco mode. Here we go. See what the top speed on eco mode is. 5.9. All right, with the touring, 12.3, sport. $19.9, so 20 miles an hour as advertised. It's pretty cool. Go back in here, do a little turnaround. Here we go. All right, everybody, I'm going to do a braking test. Let me get up to speed. I'm going to get her up to 19.9. Let me get her up to speed here. Here we go. Plenty of braking, plenty of braking. Works really well. Perfect. I'm gonna head on back this way. I'll do another brake test. 12, 13. You gotta watch out, there's a lot of cars here today because of the early voting. All right, we're at 19.9, which is basically 20 miles an hour. Hit the brakes. Stops on a dime. Gotta love it. Gonna go up on this hill. This is an uphill battle here. Pretty nice. Went right up. All right. Let me stop right here. This is what we got. The Nanrobot. It's a nice little bike, fits me good. I'm about 5'10", I weigh about 175, so for me it's great. I think you can be anywhere from 5 feet all the way up to like 6'1", 6'2". I think the weight capacity, I'll have to put it up on the screen, I think it's 265 pounds, although I'm pretty sure you could probably handle a little bit more than that. It's got a horn, it's got headlight, tail light, brake light, nice ergonomic grips, which is really nice. Front and rear brakes, disc brakes too. You can see on the bottom here, these are disc brakes. Let me turn this down a little bit. So we got disc brakes front and back. Looks like my light is sticking up there. There we go. But I'll tell you what, for somebody who just wants to ride around, not have any worries, you don't have to worry about it going super fast. Somebody like older like me or even somebody young could ride this bike with no problem. It's got a basket right here on the back, which is nice. You can put your cat or dog in there. Kickstand seems to hold it up nice. It's got a nice wide little base on it. It's looking pretty good. Remember guys, subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. It's only through you that I can become a successful e-bike reviewer. Thanks everybody. Peace out.